what you got here? What's it here? Okay. ทางงูลูไปเดี๋ยวพี่ได้ไปเดินเดินของกันทางงูจะเดี๋ยวไปถามเราพิซซ่าแหละ GB นั่นไง GB เดี๋ยวไปถามนี่พี่เนยเอาพิซซ่าอะไรกันอ่ะ
What is it around the strawberry?
Sugar.
Sugar? Jelly?
Sugar.
Sugar. We are currently in Tamarind Market, which is a new market next to Cicada Market. I don't think it's that new, to be honest. My wife is saying it's new. I seem to remember we were here 10 years ago, but maybe my memory is wrong. Anyway, they have a lot of good food. Barbecue ribs, burger kitchen, Indian food, pizza, a lot of Thai food, somtam, pad Thai. And roti, different types of roti. They have coconut roti, they have regular roti, they have river prawns, seafood, ice cream. Oh, sorry, these strawberries. And a lot of good food. Next to this is Cicada Market. Cicada Market is a market that is famous for artwork. Which is difficult to take home when you're a tourist, but maybe if you live here, it's good. Strawberries seem to be delicious. My wife is getting roti for me. Roti is Thai pancake. The dough is different. It's a very elastic dough. If you've been here, you've seen this. You know that they start with the dough as a firm ball, and then they smack that ball against a frying table to make it bigger, kind of like a pizza dough. And then they fry it in oil. And then after frying it in oil for a while, they add butter. And then they put the pancake like this in paper and they pour condensed milk on top of it. You can also get banana, Nutella, all kinds of things on top of it, but this is the traditional way.
I want more.
Which is delicious. And Tai Tai wants more strawberries. Tai Tai, you want some roti? Nom nom nom.
I want something that you do.
Okay. What kind of crab is this? What kind of crab is it?
ทะเลซี I don't know ปูม้าปะ
It has the feet that it uses for swimming, so it swims in the open sea. Here. These are the feet. It's swimming in the open water. You take the crab and you dip it in this seafood sauce. We also have some white pizza, which is surprisingly good.
cheese cheese pizza.
Yeah, but it's white pizza because it's no tomato sauce.
Yeah. Oh really? It's not sing. ไม่ใช่ tomato sauce อันนี้ไงเขาให้ ใส่เอง
This pizza makes me miss Jamie Oliver in Bangkok. They closed that restaurant. Jamie Oliver's had the best pizza, but this is not far from it.
เอานี่ไงเขามาแล้วใส่หาแล้วโอ้โหอันนี้อยู่ตรง
I can't eat everything here, but these bowls are really good. Sweet potato and kalambur is very good. Oysters. I feel like this market has a Western tourist tone to it. I didn't look much at the prices, but I'm guessing the prices are a bit higher as well. Because it's tourists paying. Although most people here are Thai.
This good dog.
Avocado smoothie. Corn dogs. Kebab. Who would eat kebab in Thailand, I wonder? I actually did eat a kebab at a different market, but that was a Thai version of kebab that I was curious in tasting. I would not eat a normal kebab because there are so many better things here. But sometimes curiosity kills the cat. Here you have crepes. Lots of people here. Mo ping. Pork knuckle. Australian beef. Oh, horseshoe crab, that's fun. Horseshoe crabs and spiders have blue blood because of their they use copper instead of iron to collect the oxygen. This mushroom is good. It's fun to walk around the market like this and just sample different things, and you eat a lot. I already eaten myself full, but it doesn't hurt to keep looking around a bit more. Alcohol. About half price of a drink in Sweden. At the cheap places in Sweden. Cicada Market. This is the sign you see from the road where they have artwork and stuff. All sorts of art. Which, like I said, I have no idea how you're gonna get home without breaking it. But of course, they also have food at Cicada Market. Now I just need to find my wife somewhere. Because she walked off when I was filming the art. Pad Thai. Phoi thot. And a lot of music. I like rings like these ones, but I don't know when I'm gonna wear it. Lots of games, clothes.
ก่อนไม่นานหรอกค่ะ
จะทำเหรอ